Guys, do you have bone-on-bone arthritis and are contemplating knee surgery? Well, right behind me is an animation of how they do the knee joint replacement. People can come into the office and say, I'm so glad that I did it. Other times people come in and say, it's still hot, it's inflamed, I have scar tissue, or it hurts differently. And even some will say, I wish I wouldn't have done it. Is there a way to help people with bone-on-bone arthritis? We have so many success stories of people that have gotten their flexibility back. They don't hurt. They can go up and down stairs by doing regenerative injection therapy. It's a combination of a vitamin injection and oxidative medicine, where literally you can see before and after x-rays of some people where you'll see increased space inside of the joint. Other people, their x-rays look the same and yet they don't hurt and they have a full function. If you want information about this, go to americashealer.com. It's complimentary. I just want you to know that there's alternatives to joint replacement surgery.